Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers, cheap South Tamiami local and long-distance movers near me. We can help you with your long-distance moves in many different ways. Of course, we can transport your things, but we can do even more. Here are some of the things we can do for you: packing and unpacking, supplying packing materials, and transparent pricing. It's not easy to rationalize hiring a Florida professional moving company at first. As soon as you start looking at the benefits, it will likely make plenty of sense, however. You'll save time, and you can use that time to handle other important tasks with your local move. Along with saving time, you won't have to do any heavy lifting. We also make sure all your things are fully protected during transport. With professional movers such as 3 Movers, the moving process is streamlined. You'll be able to get settled into your new location faster. Our team can move your entire home or business in just a few hours or a single day. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Tamiami moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.